Welcome to lesson number 13 of 20 Minute Setswana. Leina lameketian.
Leina la me ke Mpho.
And we are back to teach you some Setswana. Mpho, au siame?
Ke siame au siame.
Ke siame. Listeners, le siame ba gaetso?
Ke nagana gore ba gaetso ba siame.
Let's do it.
Maybe you're a teacher, maybe you're in school. 20 Minute Setswana is the best thing for you. So take it slow and step by step before you know you're ready to go. Say yeta! Yeah, my kids.
So, Mpho, in today's lesson, we're still talking about the town and where things are. So, honale we can use in if there is anything. Honale boroto.
Yes.
There is bread.
Yes.
Okay. Now, there is a river in my town. How would I say that?
Go na le noka mo toropong ya me.
Okay. It's a nice sentence. Honale, I got that. There is. Noka, is that the word for river?
Perfect.
Okay. Honale noka mo toropong. And the ng, obviously, because it has to do with location, you add that to the toropong.
Yes.
And the yame, oh, that's mine.
Mine.
Of mine. So that's easy enough. Honale noka mo toropong yame.
Yes.
There is a river in town of mine.
Yes.
In my town, there is a big tree. Let's try that. How would I say that?
Mo toropong ya me. Go na le, there is,
Yes.
setlhare se segolo.
Okay, I got motoropong in town. Okay. Yame of mine. Honale, there is. And then you said, I think, setlare. What is that?
Setlhare, it's a tree.
Setlare is a tree.
Yes.
Okay. And to make it a big tree, you said
Golo.
segolo.
Yes.
Okay. Golo is the word for big.
Yes. Golo, bogolo, segolo. It depends.
Okay. So if I say I am big,
Ke mogolo.
oh, okay. Now this is an adjective changing according to the noun.
Yes.
Obviously, in this context, the noun is a person. I am big, and you would also be o mogolo, right?
Yes, perfect.
Okay, great. But the tree is segolo.
Se segolo, yes.
Segolo. Okay. How would I say? In my town, there is a small dam.
Mo toropong ya me, go na le letamo le lennye.
What is the word for dam again?
Letamo.
Letamo.
Yes.
All right. And small?
Nnye.
Okay. So
Yes.
you said honale letamo le lenye.
Le lennye. Yes.
So if I am small, it's ke monye.
Yes.
Okay, so the le you take off, you put a mo on it.
Yes.
And you are small, o monye.
Monye. Yes.
Okay. Easy enough. Great. Now, there is a bar near here. How would I say that?
Go na le bara gaufi fa.
Hona le bara. Bara is obviously the word for
It's a
bar.
borrowed, yes.
Okay. Hona le I got. There is bara, a bar. Gaufi is close, I remember from the previous lesson.
Yeah.
Near. And I suppose the word for here now is fa.
Fa.
We translate it more as here, but now in this context, fa is here.
Yes.
Hona le bara gaufi.
Fa.
Fa.
Na fa, sit here.
Ah, na fa.
Yes.
So sit is ho na to sit.
Yes.
Now I command you to sit na
Fa.
fa here.
Yes.
Perfect. I understand. All right. So if I change this into a question, is there a bar near here? How would I say that?
A go na le bara gaufi fa.
Okay. So there is a bar near here. Is hona le bara gaufi fa.
Yes.
But now you just change it to a question. You just put a A in front of the sentence.
Yes.
Ah.
Is
hona.
there?
Is there? Okay. All right. So it's just like saying you are ready. Oseyame.
A usiam.
Are you ready? Ah, oseyame.
Yes.
All right. Great. The river is near the dam. How would I say that?
Noka e gaufi le letamo.
Noka e gaufi
Le
le
letamo.
letamo is the word for dam.
Yes.
So the river is near the dam.
The dam.
It's basically just directly translated. The house is far from the street. How would I say that?
Ntlo e kgakala le tsela.
Okay. Ntlo, I remember is house.
Yes,
All right. And I suppose Tsela here is street.
it's a street.
Ntlo e kakala. Kakala.
Yes.
I'm trying to smile. Ntlo e kakala
Yes.
le Tsela.
Perfect.
The building is next to the bakery. How would I say that?
Moago
Okay.
o fa letlhakoreng la bakery.
Okay. Moago is building.
Yes.
I'm guessing.
It's building, yes. Moago o,
Okay.
ne? If it's in plural, meago e. Remember there's M-E. But when we have
yeah.
M-O, after that word, we put O.
These linking words once again change according to the noun,
Yes?
and we'll get to that. Okay. Just learn it like vocabulary for now.
There's a verb there.
Okay.
Go aga is to build.
Oh, really?
Yes.
And then you had a big word for next to, I think.
Letlhakoreng.
Letlakuring.
Yes.
Okay. So that's next to something.
It's a next. Next to.
And the word for bakery, I think it was a borrowed word.
It's a borrowed word, yes.
I just heard bakery or something.
Beikari.
Oh, bakery. Okay.
Yes.
And the last one, the market is across or opposite from the petrol station. How would I say that?
Maraka. That's another word that we borrowed. Market.
Okay, maraka, all right.
Yes. Maraka o kwa pele ga seteišene sa petrolo.
Okay. All right. I got a few things there. Now, maraka you said is market, okay? I remember pele being straight.
Yes.
Okay.
Anything that is in front of you.
Okay.
For pele.
Okay. So this okwapele sort of means opposite from you or
Yes.
straight from you.
Yes.
Okay.
Straight in front of you. In front.
Okay.
Yes.
Across from, and the cha, you obviously have to put in the cha.
The ga. Yes.
Okay.
Maraka o kwa pele ga. It's in front of
Yes.
station.
Seteshene.
Yes. Sa petrolo.
Sa petrolo. And sa petrolo makes it a petrol station. Station of petrol.
Of petrol.
Okay. Well, today's lesson was a little bit quicker. I thank you so much for joining us, Mpho. It was great.
Ke lebogile.
And we'll see you next week with 20 Minute Setswana. Go to the website, 20minutesetswana.co.za. Everything you need is on there to help you master this language and get you speaking in no time.
Go fihlela nako e
20 Minute Setswana is the best thing for you. So take it slow and step by step before you know you're ready to go. Say, yay!